Good afternoon, up at the Viewpoint once again, Monday the 26th of May, about 3 o'clock, temperatures about 13, weather is overcast, unpredictable, there's rain, you can feel it, and I'm looking over the Belfast City and the docks. And once again there's a big cruise ship in. This cruise ship has been in umpteen times before, so but I'm just getting it again. Haven't videoed too many cruise ships this year. And there it is. And I'm getting rain spits on my it's very windy. There it is there. Yeah. Regal Princess, been in a wheen of times, as they say. Built in Fincantieri in Italy. How can Italy build cruise ships and UK can't? Unbelievable. It's 10 years old, built 2014, and 142,714 tons. So this is a big cruise ship, 330 meters in length and 47 meters wide. Decks 19. Passengers today probably about 4,300. Maybe with double occupancy in every room could push that to 5,000. Crew 1,350. Big cruise ship. Very welcome. Not getting a great afternoon. There's the rain floating in. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh, welcome to sunny Belfast. Not. Can't complain too much because we had great sunshine for the last 4 weeks. But there you have it. Another cruise ship. Cruise ships are coming in all the time and I just haven't been videoing them. And I've just turned over to the Maritime Ship Tracker world map. And this is a fascinating map. It gives an insight into the ship traffic right around the globe, and you can make it worldwide, and then you can home in. So that's what I'm going to do now. There's Africa just there, so I'll go in, and United Kingdom is up here. Look at the traffic in the Mediterranean. Look at the traffic down here in the Gulf of Mexico. And look at the traffic going right across the Atlantic. But let's home in and see if we can find where the Regal Princess is at 5 to 9. So there's United Kingdom, there's Southern Ireland, and there's Northern Ireland, and Belfast just up here. So let's centre the Northern Ireland and go in again. There's the Irish Sea, there's the Isle of Man. And I just love these live maps. because you can immediately pinpoint the ship that you're after. And there's the Regal Princess. Position received 2 minutes ago. She's at the head of Belfast Lock, just heading out into the Irish Sea. She's just come out of Belfast docks in here. And if you focus on her, then you get a wee picture turning up of the actual cruise ship. It's not good. It's not good. And the pilot boat. There's the pilot boat coming back in again after seeing her out. I think Belfast has something like 24 pilots, or maybe even more. You know, making sure that ships stay exactly within the deep water channels. There's Belfast Harbour Docks. And there's where I go walking, down by Titanic Belfast. Just in there. And that's where all the yachts come in and sit. And there's a big one in here. There's the Reef Chief is in at the minute. Normally you get yachts like this in the Mediterranean, you know, Philibera and all the rest of it, but Reef Chief's in, coming up to Belfast. So there you are. And if I scroll out, there's the cruise ship terminal where the little hand is, and there's the Belfast Wow Centre, and there's where I normally go down. I go down this pathway past the Wow Centre. There's a pathway there, and it leads right to Belfast Lock. There's Gilnahirk Jetty. A big car park further on round here at Gilnahirk, which is very, very good to watch ships coming in and out as well. But if you want to really get close up, you go just down this entrance here. Now they're actually constructing a new cruise ship terminal down there at the minute, so I'm not too sure whether that's still available to members of the public. So there's the Regal Princess. 3 minutes ago. Just thought I'd show you that.